Good morning, ma'am. I am Mrs. S. De Los Santos from BS Criminology, and my topic is all about plagiarism. Plagiarism means using someone else's work, ideas, or words without giving proper credit or permission and presenting them as your own. For example, yung gumawa kayo ng reflection. Sinabi ng guro nyo na gumawa kayo ng reflection, tapos ikaw, yung katabi mo, gumawa din ng reflection kasi kaklase mo siya. Tas, tas ikaw hindi ka na gumawa ng reflection kasi nangopya ka lang sa katabi mo. So, it means parehas kayo ng output. It means wala kang originality. So, it means that is plagiarism. So, why originality matters in college? So, I have three different ways in why originality matters in college. So, first, it violates academic integrity. Why it violates academic integrity? Because academic integrity is built on core values like honesty, trust, fairness, respect, and responsibility. So, if the first is honesty, so if you are not honest, so it means you violate violate academic integrity. So you plagiarize because you are not honest, you copying the work of others. So trust you need to trust yourself. If you do, for example, for example reflection, you do reflection, you need to trust yourself that you can make it. 3, fairness. So you need to be fair of others. Like we do like we do what we do their best to be to pass the reflection. Then respect. So you need to respect. So the second different originality matters in college is plagiarism hinders personal intellectual growth. So plagiarism hinders personal intellectual growth. It's a growth mainly because it is replaces active learning with shortcutting, stopping you from developing essential skills and deep understanding. So developing essential skills. So in order you become grow your mind, so you need to practice. Like my example, you need to do practice doing reflection. So in order to develop your skill, your essential, in order to understand deeply your learnings, and you become after you practice until you become a good doing and reflection. So number 3 is undermines the value of degree. Undermines the value of degree it because a degree meant to certify that the holder has acquired specific knowledge, skills, and competencies through their own effort and learning. So through their own effort and learning. So it means you do that activity, not the work of others. You do your own. For example, as what I said earlier, that if the teacher said that that do reflection about your topic today, so you make a reflection on your own, not the work of others. You don't have to copy others work in order you become grow and to practice in order that plagiarism not belong to this. So overall of this, so plagiarism is the copying someone works, kana yung wala kang paninindigan na sa'yo yang trabaho na yan, kundi sa iba yan, ang sa iba na gawa yan, kinopya mo lang. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.